When a person is arrested in Fountain Valley, they are taken to the Fountain Valley Jail and booked in as an inmate. The booking process could take as little as a few hours, or it could take much longer. In most cases, a bail amount will be set according to a uniform schedule arranged by Superior Court judges. In special cases, a bail hearing may be required before they can be bailed out of jail. If they are not bailed out quickly from the Fountain Valley Jail, they will be transferred over to the Orange County Jail located in Santa Ana and will remain there until their scheduled court appearance. The better option is to hire a bail bondsman so that they can be released immediately from the Fountain Valley Jail and have additional time so that they can prepare a legal defense before appearing in court. Huntington Beach Bail Bonds is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to answer any questions that you have about the bail bond process. When you give us a call, please be sure to have as much information as possible, including the person's full name, the jail they're currently at, and the charges they were arrested for. Our agent will meet you at the jail, at your home, or at our office in Huntington Beach, depending on which option makes the most sense for the situation. If you're located out of state or very far away, in some cases we may be able to take care of the paperwork and payment over the phone. The fee for a bail bond is 10% of the penal amount. So on a $10,000 bail bond, the cost of the bond would be $1,000. This is a one-time, non-refundable fee that we charge for putting up the $10,000 with the court. We'll also need someone to sign on the bail bond as an indemnitor. An indemnitor is someone who assumes the liability for the full bail amount, $10,000 in our example, and would be responsible for paying that amount to the court if the person did not appear on their scheduled court appearances. Once we have received payment for the bail bond and all the necessary paperwork has been completed, we will be able to post the bail bond. The process of bailing someone out can take a short time or several hours, depending on the circumstances at the jail. After the person has been released, they must show up for all of their court appearances and satisfy all other conditions of their bail bond agreement. If the defendant doesn't show up in court at the required date, they will become a fugitive and will be brought back to the jail by a bounty hunter. Keep in mind that if the defendant doesn't make the required court date, that you may lose any collateral that was signed over on the bond. As long as the defendant complies with all of the terms of the bail bond agreement and shows up on their required court dates, then you don't have anything to worry about. Regardless of whether the defendant is found innocent or guilty, the bond is completed or exonerated once the trial is over, or if the charges are dropped, or if a settlement is made with the district attorney. And that's how bail bonds in Fountain Valley works. If you have any further questions about how the bail bond process works, or you would like to simply get the process started of getting somebody out of jail, you can give us a call at 714-960-4402. Our friendly and courteous bail bond agents are standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to assist you with your bail bond needs.